Okay, hello everybody. Of course, this is me and it's March, it's 2021, and we're going to approach a brand new subject. Now, throughout February and earlier parts of this year, I've started talking about PBL. And so what is PBL? It's project-based learning. And so this is a teaching methodology that really engages students in the learning factor. So what we want to be able to do is improve learning, retention, thinking, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, as well as give students an opportunity, especially in the K-12 system, to think more like adults, at least in terms of addressing real world problems. And so my goal here is to create videos just about every day in the month of March and moving forward to talk about PBL. But I'm going to take a look at it from two perspectives. Of course, first, the teacher's perspective, how to use PBL effectively in the classroom. It doesn't matter if it's a physical classroom, a hybrid classroom, or a virtual classroom. There are different approaches to use PBL in either of the three or any of those three classroom environments, but you really have to know your environment to use project-based learning effectively, okay? And it doesn't have to be all-encompassing. There are hacks, basically. There are different ways to use the different methodologies in PBL to really gain a better learning experience or to improve the learning experience for your students. And then I'm going to flip the coin and we're going to focus on how the students are appreciating and using the project-based learning environment or the activity or the project, whatever you want to call it. So as they learn, grow, reflect, and become better thinkers, better critical thinkers, and better problem solvers, we can then take a look at that from a very dynamic perspective. And of course, I'm going to take a look at that from three different students at three different ages. There's Timmy, and he's age 11, so he's about the fifth and sixth grade. There's Jessica, who's high school, about to graduate. And of course, there's Tammy, and she's our science nerd. So each of these students will look at PBL and the PBL activities very differently and approach their projects very differently. So it's good to get their perspective on things as well as the teacher's perspective on things. So with that, please join me in this new journey, and I'll see you next time. Take care.